Okay, today I'm going to talk about conditional logic within Content Snare and how it works. This is going to be really good to reduce overwhelm in your clients. Rather than you asking them 10, 15 different questions that are relevant to them, you just don't need to ask that with conditional logic. So the conditions can work from a question to a question, a whole section across pages. So for example, we might ask the question, do you have a property? So yeah, give them two options, yes and no. Then we want to, for example, we might want to know about that property. So for now, I'll just do a multi-line text. So it might say property price. I'm going to use the instructions here. Also list address and property type, right? Just in case we need to know that. So choose that question. Now on this right-hand side, I'll go conditions. The page what we're referring to is this new page. We're going to go, do you have a new property? If it equals yes, this question will appear. We can now do this across like sections as well. So we might have a whole entire section. Let's say, for example, we've got bookkeeping queries, right? That we want to ask somebody. So this is the bookkeeping queries. We can say, have you done your queries 0? Give them the options again, yes, no. If it equals no, we can show this whole section. So this July queries, any questions that in this whole section will now appear. So that equals no. We can also do it across a page. So I could add in a page here like so. Let's go personal information spouse. We'll ask them another question at the start, like do you have a spouse? So let's go here. Another yes, no. Do you have a spouse? Yes and no. Then this is how it works across the page. So conditions, I'm going to reference that first page. Select that question. It's do you have a spouse? If it equals yes. So with the conditions as well, you can set them on different field types. So for example, these are all IT ones, but we might have a secondary text field. So like this, for example, and I can have a condition off the back of that. So like, does that contain certain stuff? What this looks like for the client is this. So if I go select mode, we'll just test this out. So this is what the client now sees, is this new section. If I hit property, you can see the next series of questions come out. Answer that question here. Did you have your queries? Yes or no? No. The whole July queries will appear here now. And then if I hit a yes to this one, you'll see that this whole page now appears. So this is a really great way for your clients to just see questions that are relevant to them.